Hi everyone, welcome to allthingsmaths.net. Today we'll be looking at how to create those wonderful worksheets I was showing you before. So first thing I did was just Google problematic.com on Google, and this is the website that came up. I just want to make a disclaimer here, I'm not getting paid by this, I just found it and I found it really helpful, so I've started using it. So basically here I'm just showing you how to create just an account, and basically this is where I get those questions from. So once you do that, you have to verify it through email, and that's it. And that's the screen that pops up once you verify it. So there's all the types of assessments and things you can do. I create it usually for worksheets, but you can create it for assessments. I just scroll down on my search by topic. It's just a little bit easier for me because then I know exactly what I'm looking for. You can either type the topic here or you can scroll down and find it. So I'm just going to I'll just start by writing out the topic. So today I'll be looking at linear equations, possibly graphs. I'm doing a demo, so I'm not really fussed what I'm looking for. That looks good to me. I'm just going to have a look, see what's inside. Yep, I like those questions. So if you like them and you want to include them, just press add. Now, as you can see, the asterisks there are the answers. Say you don't like them, or you do, but you just don't want to pick, you can just right click on that miscellaneous and write how many questions you want from that. So it's right clicking and then asking to add problems from that particular, and it automatically does it for you. Now I'm going to rename the actual worksheet, because if you don't rename it, it will just show as untitled. Now just be careful with this step here, because I've tried to do it before and rename it. It doesn't rename it on the PDF. I don't know why. So make sure you give it the right name you want here at this step. And that's it. You scroll to the left, make a PDF, and voila, download your PDF. Easy as that. It will download down at the bottom, and then you can just click on it, save it, do whatever you want, print it, send it to your Google Class, and I think all the licenses here allow you to use it in your own Google Classroom and things like that. So it's done, and there's the title I was telling you about. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next I'll be showing you how to make a quiz or a form on Google Classroom or something like this, or you can send it via email. So that'll be next time. Thanks for watching.